Meaning of flashmobbing.
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 Flashmobbing. Flashmobbing is a social phenomenon where a large group of people suddenly gather in a public place to perform a specific act, usually for entertainment or protest purposes. The participants are typically organized through social media and arrive at the location at a predetermined time. The act is usually brief and then the group disperses. The result can be attention-grabbing and generate media coverage, leading to increased awareness of the cause or simply creating a fun and unexpected experience for bystanders. Overall, flashmobbing is a way for people to come together and make a statement in a creative way.